Uh-oh. Here, Mommy, help you open it. Okay, what's inside? Here, I'll help you. What's inside? What is it?
Bunny.
Okay, put it with the bunny. Good job. Okay, grab more eggs. See if there's... Yeah, get some that are in the basket. Oh! Now we can't tell if we've opened them or not. Okay, go ahead, open it. See what's inside. Oh, Squidzy, you got it. What is it? Chicken. Good job. Okay, here's another one. How do you ask?
Please,
Thank you for saying please. You got it. What's in there? Bunny! Where's it go? Good job. Squeeze. Got it. Open. You got it. Another bunny. Wonder if we're going to have more bunnies or more chicks this time. Oop, there's one behind you. There you go. Gotta open that one. Can you get it? Here you go. Whoop! What's in it? Chicky chicky! Good job. Perfect spot. You're doing a great job sorting, Aubrey. How fun. I think we have 2 more eggs. I'm gonna get an apple in there. Need help? Can you sign help?
Help.
Help. Right? Alright. Which one's that? What is it? It's a chickie. Where's it go? Good. Good. I think you have one more. Boogies might want to eat the chicken. I mean, no, that's silly. Yay! What is it?
Bunny.
Bunny! Where's the bunny go? Oh, let's count. Good job. How many bunnies do we have? 1. Can you count them? 2. 3. 4.